Like this section here, I gotta play it safe. Can't take it quite as aggressively as I would normally do with my M2, but I don't have the rear tire grip to do it. I tell you, that cornering speed is as fast, if not faster, than my M2. After about 4 or 5 laps, the driving technique has changed a little bit. Using the instead of the brakes to get me around the corner, I'm using the gas to get me around the corner, braking a little bit earlier because the rear end is getting a little bit light. So I need some maintenance throttle like that to just keep the back end in check. As soon as it gets a little bit too rolly, it seems to not like that. That ship. Brakes are still playing nice, engine is still playing nice. It's just the characteristic, now that the front tires have heat and the back tires are mildly greasy, really forces me to clean up my driving a lot. Really happy with that time already though. I've seen much better prep cars run a lot slower than that, including my own M2. And this car, we picked it up just exactly 1 week ago. Honestly, it's perfect. There's a few, the high-speed turn there, turn 3, that's where coming out of there it does feel a little bit underpowered. The rest of this track, perfectly adequate. And look at it, just lap after lap, just very consistent. Oil temp hasn't even exceeded 100 degrees. This car is no problem taking all of this abuse. Absolutely amazing. I did spin it out once.